So this question number 23 I'll discuss later. Okay, this is based on trend analysis, and this is a balance sheet. How will you come to know this in exam? It's a balance sheet. See, Amar Limited, name of the company. Just a minute. Amar Limited, it's the name of the company. Request you to prepare trend analysis statement. Okay, trend analysis 2016, 17, 18. Okay, so all this information is related to what? It is related to your balance sheet. Okay, so this it's the trend balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet 2016, 17, 18. Out of this 3 years, which is the base year? Write it in the chat box. 2016, 17 may say which is the base year. Which one is the base year? Okay, Ankita says it's 2016. Anyone? Vipul, okay, 2016. Shivangi, 2016. Okay, yeah, very good. Yeah, the first year is always the base year. So base year को मैं green से कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, ये मेरा base year है. ठीक है, तो इसको मुझे क्या consider करना पड़ेगा? 100 while calculating. Okay, और ये 2017 और 18. What is this? This is my next year. Okay. Now let us discuss only then. Equity share capital, ये कहाँ जाएगा? Under sources of funds. Okay. This will go under sources of funds. What do you call that? Owners fund or shareholders fund. P&L account, ये तो add होगा equity share capital पे. Creditors is what? Creditors is current liability under the category quick liability. Okay, general reserve ये भी add होगा equity share capital को. Bills receivable, current assets under the category quick assets. Next, fictitious assets मतलब वो miscellaneous expenditure, ये equity share capital से minus होगा. Okay, please don't look at the word assets and don't take it under current liability. It is fictitious assets. That means miscellaneous expenditure. Accumulated losses ये less होगा equity share capital से. Next, trade investment. Okay, now what do you mean by trade investments? Marketable investments, investments for less than 12 months. Okay, so investments which are less than 12 months, they are not treated as long-term investments, they are treated as current assets. The current asset है under the category quick assets. Okay, next 10% preference share capital, ये वो equity share capital के साथ जाएगा. 13% debentures, ये मेरा borrowed funds है. This is my borrowed funds or loan, you can call it as loan funds. Building मेरा asset, building is my asset. Okay, so fixed assets category में जाएगा. Plant and machinery is also my asset, fixed asset category. Marketable investments. Okay, ये लोग ने दो बार दिया. Okay, so one investment को you treated as long term and the other you then treated as short term. Okay. See, they have given you two words, marketable investment, दो बार repeat किया. कोई बात नहीं. It is repeated twice. Next, debtors को obviously current assets under the category quick assets. Bills payable, current liability under the category quick liability. Bank मतलब bank balance. So current assets under the category quick assets. Okay, like this. Like others also, let me highlight with red. Current assets under quick assets. Current liability under quick liability. Okay. So then start. Prepare this. Okay. इसमें ना ये दोनों ट्रेड में ही हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स. ये क्वेश्चन में कुछ चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा. ये ना बच्चा इसको प्रिंटिंग एरर होगा, इसको नॉन ट्रेड कर दो. ओके, मेक दिस नॉन ट्रेड. या इसको नॉन ट्रेड कर दो. क्योंकि दो, यू कैन नॉट हैव टू ट्रेड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ना, मार्केटेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. या सो फिर इसको आप लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रीट करो आफ्टर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. ओके, इसको लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रीट करो. लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, ये वो मोर देन 12 मंथ्स वाला. मोर देन 12 मंथ्स. और इसको अज्यूम करो लेस देन 12 मंथ्स. ओके, इसको फिर करंट एसेट ट्रीट करो अंडर क्विक एसेट्स लाइक दिस. Is it clear? There is a printing error. Okay, so I'm considering the first one as non-trade and the second one marketable investments as trade investments. मतलब less than 12 months वाला. Is this clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Question समझ में आया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay, so there are changes in the question, huh? Yeah. तो आज हम और एक सम बैलेंस शीट का करेंगे, बट आज मैं आपको शॉर्टकट मेथड सिखाऊंगी. ओके, तो कैलसीज उसके लिए चाहिए. यू डोंट नीड द मोबाइल कैलसी, उसमें ये शॉर्टकट नहीं होगी. इवन ये जो मेरा सिस्टम कैलसी है, ये जो मैं लैपटॉप पर कैलसी यूज करती हूँ, ये भी नहीं होगा. आई हैव टू यूज द अदर कैलसी. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर द एक्नॉलेजमेंट. Pritul, why have you given your roll number? Huh? I am not going to repeat things again and again. Huh? You are marked absent for the day. I am not going to give you attendance today. Last lecture I made it very clear. जब तक मैं ना बोलूँ कोई भी चैट बॉक्स को टच नहीं करेगा. मैं जब पूछती हूँ yes no, बस तब के ये चैट बॉक्स you have to touch. You don't have to touch the chat box on your own conditions. Is that clear? So you are absent for the day. You want to be in the meeting, you be. Otherwise, you leave the meeting. एक बार जो बोल दिया मैंने, समझ में नहीं आता है आप लोगों को. I can't help it. I don't like such students. Okay. Now make this vertical trend statement. I'll tell you the changes in the sum. Okay. ये बना दो. ये मेरा base year है 2016. 2017 and 18 is my next year. And base year को पूरा 100 में convert कर दो. Okay. तो जैसे ही आप सम स्टार्ट करते हो ना, ये कॉलम को पहले 100 कर ही दो. Okay? Remember this point for trend analysis. First year is the base year. Base year is always 100, and this formula next year upon base year into 100. Okay? So start. First, I will show you only the first 3 years. The sources of funds. Mein first I have shareholders funds. Okay? In shareholders funds, first is equity share capital. Okay, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 40 and 1 lakh 70. Then preference share capital 50,000, 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. The values are here. Next, add reserves and surplus. Okay, reserves and surplus will be added. Then you can put this sign, add ka, add. Add reserves and surplus. So reserves and surplus, now what do I have? I have profit and general reserve. 59,000, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 50. General reserve 60,000, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh 10. And miscellaneous expenditures matlab fictitious assets, accumulated losses. Accumulated losses. Okay. अब क्या? Equity share capital, preference share capital plus your profits less your losses gives you what? Shareholders funds. Okay, it is equal to shareholders funds. Okay, chalo 2 lakhs plus 50 plus 59 minus 60, no, not minus 60, it is plus 60, plus 60 minus 20. The answer is 3,49,000. Okay, 3,49,000. Next, 2017. Same, 1 lakh 40. You have to be very quick. 1 lakh 40 plus 1 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 2 lakh is 4 lakhs minus 32. So 6 lakh 8,000. Okay, 6 lakh 8,000. Next, 1 lakh 70 plus 2 lakhs plus 1 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 10 minus, अच्छा 0, okay. No, minus 1 lakh. This is 5 lakh 30. Now this was 0, so that is going to be 6 lakh 30. 1 lakh 70 plus 2 lakhs plus 1 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 10. 6 lakh 30, because that is 0, right? Yeah. See, 6 lakh 30. So this is my shareholders fund. Is what I'm going to add? My borrowed funds. First year में कोई borrowed funds नहीं है, 0, 1 lakh 20 and 1 lakh. Okay. So shareholders funds plus borrowed funds is what? Total sources of funds. ये रहा. इसको total capital employed भी बोलते हैं. 3,49,000 plus 0 is 3,49,000. Okay. Next, 6 lakh 8 plus 1 lakh 20. 6 lakh 8 plus 1 lakh 20 is how much? 7 lakh 28. Okay, 7 lakh 28. Next, 6 lakh 30 plus 1 lakh, 7 lakh 30. So this completes my sources of funds. Sources of funds is comparatively easier than application of funds, because sources of funds, the items, the breakup of items is very, very limited. Okay, so is it clear till sources of funds? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear till sources of funds? Sources of funds means shareholders funds and borrowed funds, or shareholders funds means Equity share capital, preference share capital plus profits less losses. Okay, fine. Thanks, students. Next, application of funds. Okay. And as I keep saying you, simultaneously, आपको आपका books भी complete करना है. After the lecture, when I send the screenshot in the group, you have to complete the fund. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फंड्स में क्या आता है अगेन तीन चीजें आती हैं फिक्स्ड एसेट्स लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल में क्या क्या आता है करंट एसेट्स एंड करंट लाइबिलिटी करंट एसेट्स में क्या क्या आता है क्विक एसेट्स एंड नॉन क्विक एसेट्स करंट लाइबिलिटी में क्या क्या आता है क्विक लाइबिलिटी एंड नॉन क्विक लाइबिलिटी ओके ऐसा बाइफिकेशन याद रखने का ओके देन स्टार्ट फिक्स्ड एसेट्स में है बिल्डिंग 1,50,000, 2,50,000 and 4 lakhs. Plant and machinery 64,000, 1,50,000 and 2,30,000. Okay. Actually, this sum had a printing error. So जो printing error है वो मैंने change कर दिया है. Okay. I have highlighted the printing error. See, ये था. This was a printing error. This has to be 2 lakhs. And the second printing error was this, which I have changed 1,50,000. Okay. So if you see this book in any reference book or textbook, so there it is wrongly printed. Okay. Then trade investments is, again वो भी printing error है. ये non trade हमको assume करना है. ठीक है, non trade, long term करना. Right? So non trade investments. Sorry, non trade. This is non trade, students. Non trade more than 12 months wala. Yeah, 0, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Next, working capital. सबसे important वर्किंग कैपिटल में क्या आता है करंट एसेट्स एंड करंट लायबिलिटी ओके करंट एसेट्स में क्या क्या आता है क्विक एंड नॉन क्विक ठीक है तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन नॉन क्विक है ही नहीं सब क्विक एसेट्स है देखो बिल्स रिसीवेबल marketable investments less than 12 months wala bank loan sorry not bank loan bank balance and debtors okay? So all these three are what they are quick assets non quick is not there in the sum okay 10,000 20,000 40,000 50,000 60,000 zero 2 lakhs 2 lakhs zero 25,000 30,000 50,000 okay फिर इसका टोटल कर दो टोटल करंट एसेट्स total of current assets right 10 plus 50 is 60 60 plus 2 lakh 60 2 lakh 60 plus 25,000 is 2 lakh 85,000 if we can do it orally well and then 60 plus 20 is 80 80 plus this is 2 lakh 80 2 lakh 80 plus 30 is 3 lakh 10 then 40 plus 0 plus 0 plus 50 40 plus 50 is 90,000 okay next current liability I have creditors and bills payable और दोनों भी क्विक लाइबिलिटी है okay? both are quick liability नॉन क्विक क्वेश्चन में है ही नहीं तो मत लिखना okay? So 75 1 lakh 0 then 75 82,000 and 90,000 टोटल करो टोटल करंट लाइबिलिटी Okay, 75 plus 75 is 1,50,000. 1 lakh plus 82 is 1,82,000. 0 plus 90 is 90,000. Okay, and don't forget current liability, current asset से minus होगी तब आपको working capital मिलेगा. That is the reason C इधर minus है. Less. Current assets minus current liability is working capital. See here, working capital. Okay, how do you get this? Current assets minus current liability. Okay, so 2,85,000 minus 1,50,000. So the answer is 1,35,000. Then 3,10,000 minus 1,82,000. So the answer is 1,28,000. Next, 90,000 minus 90,000, 0. ठीक है, अभी क्या मिलेगा आपको? 1 plus 2 plus 3. ऐड करो टोटल ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फंड्स बराबर फिक्स्ड एसेट्स प्लस लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स प्लस वर्किंग कैपिटल. Okay, fixed assets total करो 1,50,000 plus 64,000. Sorry, 64,000 50 plus 64,000 plus 2,85,000 minus, I should have directly taken it, 1,50,000 plus 64 minus, सीधा ये ले लो वर्किंग कैपिटल 1,35,000. So 79. Yeah, you can start giving your attendance in the chat box. 3,49. 2,50,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 2 lakhs minus 1 lakh, not minus, plus 1,28,000. 7,28,000. Okay, fixed assets 4 lakhs plus 2,30,000 plus long-term investment 1 lakh plus working capital 0, 7,30,000. So this completes my balance sheet. I mean the new style of balance sheet. Okay, so पहले ये complete करने का. Then your current year, sorry, your base year. Okay, take your base year to be 100. Okay, put this everything 100. Okay, complete the information which was given. Right, ये तीनों given information बराबर ना, ये तीनों given information क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है और ये हमको बनाना है. Okay? This 3 we have to find. उसमें से this one assume 100 और अब इसको find करते हैं. ठीक है, so चलो let us see the shortcut method. Okay, एक चीज याद रखना, रो वाइज तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, ये 2 lakhs. Don't forget ये आपका denominator है. Okay, now start. I'm writing it this side. Yeah. See the shortcut which I'm using. So for this row, talking about this. Okay. So 1 upon, what is my base? 2 lakhs. So write here 2 lakhs. Equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times. Okay. Use this normal fancy. So 1 divided by 2 lakhs. Press the equal to sign. Then multiplication sign 2 times you press. Then I want answer for this 1 lakh 40. ये आंसर चाहिए ना इसका 1 lakh 40 का. तो इधर टाइप करो 1 lakh 40 and press equal to. Type 1 lakh 40 on calci and press equal to. Okay, I repeat 1 divided by 2 lakhs, press the equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times. Then type 1 lakh 40 on calci and press equal to sign. Okay, answer is 0.7. इसको 100 पे convert करो. Okay, या तो आप डायरेक्ट ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. We are going to multiply everything with 100 only, right? See this 100. So you can do one more shortcut. Yeah, see. You can keep like this 100 divided by 2 lakhs. Try करो देखो same answer आएगा 100 divided by 2 lakhs. Press the equal to sign. Press the multiplication sign 2 times. Then type 1 lakh 40 on calci and press equal to sign. आपको direct answer मिल जाएगा 70. Check करें. Yeah, just 2 minutes for this lecture and then you can join the other lecture. Don't worry. Till 5 minutes, teachers allow you to join in. Don't worry about that. Okay? Yeah, 2 minutes, then you can join the next lecture. Then next, you want answer for 1 lakh 70. Okay? So type 1 lakh 70 on calci and press equal to. 1 lakh 70 press equal to. See, you'll directly get the answer 85. Okay? Now come to the second row. इसमें मेरा base क्या है 50. अभी इधर क्या करोगे आप? Yeah, 100 divided by 50,000 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, so 100 divided by 50,000 equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, अब मुझे किसका आंसर चाहिए? इसका 1 लाख, फिर उसके बाद 2 लाख का. So type 1 lakh type करो on calci press equal to. See, my answer is 200. Okay, then type 2 lakhs on calci press equal to. So see, my answer is 400. Okay, तो इससे क्या होगा? आपको जो घड़ी घड़ी रीटाइपिंग करना है, that will be avoided. You can save your time on this. Okay. Then next, my base is 59. तो जैसे जैसे base change होता है, आप इधर change करते जाओ. 100 upon 59,000 press equal to sign multiplication sign 2 times like this. And then type 2 lakhs, then type 1 lakh 50, you will get this answer. Calci, इससे practice से ही आएगा. You have to practice on these things. Okay. So today's sum ka screenshot I won't be sharing because the sum is not completed. Okay. So next lecture mein when we complete this sum, then I will share the screenshot of the sum. Okay. And we'll practice it with which method? With the shortcut method. Okay. So shortcut method से practice करेंगे. Keep the calcis ready. You have to practice it in this type of calci. Okay. So next lecture we will continue. You can join your next lecture. structure.